Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to this YouTube channel. It's Igor here and baby Adriel, and today we are going to make a Russian sandwich, Butterbrot. You know guys, his mom is from India, so breakfast for us means that you have to fry the beans, what is those called? Mustard seeds, right? Then you have to fry onions. See, even baby's getting bored. Maybe let's go, come. Let's go guys, I'm going to show you how I make a breakfast sandwich while my wife is still struggling. Here's how you make it. So, this is main ingredient. I need to sharpen my knife really. This is how you make food. Breakfast. Okay? This is a special kind of breakfast, and the size of a knife matters as well. Maybe you want a sandwich? That's it. You get a cup of coffee or chai, tea with this one, and you can go to work. That's it. This is the entire sandwich, and it can be a lunch, can be a dinner. I have to remove your gloves, sir. Oh, yeah. Bite. Baby, you hungry? What, you don't like it? Take the one with butter. Butter better. Okay. Looks like baby approves it. Guys, give this video a big fat thumbs up. Subscribe to our family, for our family channel to see more. Oh, baby likes it. To see more family cuisine videos on this good Christian channel, guys. I'm just joking. See you guys soon. I hope you like the recipe of breakfast, lunch and dinner Butterbrot recipe. Because you see, if the baby likes it, it means it's good. See you guys soon.